Alright guys, happy Sunday. So it has returned and she's still just hacking everywhere, coughing, germs just a-flying. And what else? Let's see. She talks about Trump. She's a little mad at Trump. And she thinks she's going to be a protector of somebody else. But let's just go ahead and get into it because I'm on my way to Dollar General.
You chill, it's just... She really thinks somebody's here. It's me, chill. I didn't mean to do it. Oh god. I've hit this maybe 3 times today, you guys. I barely even fucking smoke.
I mean, usually when a person is really sick and don't feel good, smoking's kind of the last thing on their mind because it's not very comfortable.
We gotta get better. I mean, I could wear a mask, but then I really can't fucking breathe. Oh man, these people work really hard. Really motherfucking hard. I ain't trying to rain on their...
Hold up. Did she just say something about wearing a mask? Because didn't you just throw a party with all of you just sounding like this? So, I mean, come on now.
Rain on their parade. That's what I'm not trying to do. Oh god, come on, Casper.
Not her waiting for Casper. Oh, come on, Casper. She doesn't feel good. You over here giving me the heebie-jeebies. Damn, why don't you just get the fuck off live and go lay the fuck down? Fuck.
No, it's not. Right here. Chill. Here. What?
See what song we get together?
Yeah. It's me and you.
You said those years are over.
It's me and you. Look how beautiful we are. Oh, I want that.
Alright guys, so I'm back. Now, I had to get me some vinegar and a couple other things because I'm making ribs. So, that's what that is. But let's go ahead and continue.
She done lost her voice.
Listen, I'm not you're monsters randomly.
Give me Bettina's mouse.
Like, I don't know, shaming something crazy.
Alright, try to chew on Bettina's
mouse. Or something?
Oh, your toe's over there.
I don't think so. Actually, yeah, I do. I know all about it. It only
I
happens
think you need to change my brakes.
unless they're truly here when they experience fear or anger. The fight or flight response can temporarily transform them into people.
All 4 of them are just so beautiful.
I know so much. It's awesome. Oh, hey, fellow students. Hello, fellow students.
I know, Pride, I know.
I said I also have a phone. I think they actually communicate with each other using social media. Oh, that makes sense. I mean,
Trump! I'm pissed at you, Trump! I fucking changed the train for you, Trump!
Chasing trains and everything for Trump.
Okay, I'm Mr. Como. I know history is just boring, right?
I don't like Trump! Good! I'll never change the train for his butt again!
I mean, really, you should have never been doing it in the first place. That's a little weird. I mean, you were what? 44, 45, literally chasing trains down the street and yelling at the top of your lungs. Yep, you did that. You.
Tell me when Monster High was built. Yes, you.
That did it. That did it, Trump.
In 1071.
Right here.
That did it.
You. Tell me why Monster High
Well, what did
You
it?
leave the fucking horses alone.
You are killing this. Who can tell me what the greatest threat to monster kind is?
I will never fucking run for a train again. Scream at Trump. Never again.
Okay, Frankie, understand.
Never again.
You know all these.
Never again, Trump. Lori Jones is pissed at you, Trump. And I'm mad. Mad. Leave the ponies alone.
Monster High. Here,
Leave the people alone.
blue monster.
Jesus, David.
Mr. Coma, quick question. Are all humans bad?
Send all them horses here.
Thank you, buddy. That actually brings
We'll make it happen.
That's my point. I'm gonna share.
That did it, you guys.
How bad humans can be.
That did it.
Have you ever heard this story?
Out of everything that has happened, and all, whatever, I don't care either way. That did it. Got it.
I love horses. I love them. I love them more than I do people. Oh, that did it. That fucking did it.
It's
That did it.
cautionary.
Lori, you also love yourself more than you love anybody else. So, hey, there's that.
That drew the fucking line, Trump. That drew the line right there. These horses, leave them alone. You people, can't believe it.
I know this is going to sound crazy, but I feel like I'm going to get sick as I sit here and watch her German Fest it live. I mean, ew. I feel contaminated.
All the shit I went for you, Trump.
He tried and tried to fit in with his kind. Monsters hated the Jekyll, and humans hated the monster high. Could you imagine being both and neither at the same time?
No, I am mad at him.
Because we know monsters.
What the heck did the horses do?
And humans?
Oh,
I'm sorry. Whatever that is in the fucking background. That shit just grabbed my attention. I was like, here's monsters. What the fuck?
Humans are the scariest, smelliest, and hairiest. They're all a bunch of creepy freaks. We're the coolest of the cool. We all know.
I really thought he was about making it better. Clearly not.
Don't be afraid to show your true. Don't be afraid to show your
Never.
I'm sorry. That shit took my attention. Just took it. Flew with it.
Again, Trump. Never again. I will not be running after no more trains for you. Or even going up to people on cable lines or phone lines, whatever, and telling them, make sure you vote for Trump. Never again. Never again. What did the horses do to you? Nothing. And that did it, Trump. I'm telling you. God knows. That did it. That did it, Trump. You're gonna leave the ponies alone.
No one would believe him because his heart was half untruth.
Yeah.
Rules are rules, and when monsters chose to enforce the rules, it got groups. It got groups. No one ever.
Is it just me, or am I just getting lost with the background noise? Because now that's all I hear. I don't even hear her talking. I'm just listening to the hairy, scary, whatever it's saying.
I was shocked. That's the fact. They were scared because he was half human. Humans are unbearable. Altogether terrible.
I'm feeling good. Trump makes me off.
Humans smell like dirty socks.
We all know that monsters wrong.
A lot of you agree. Don't be afraid to show your true.
I will fucking go 10 toes, chest out for fucking horses, bro. You're gonna leave me alone, Trump. Oh, God.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, she says that about everything. God, get it together, Larry.
It's not nice. It's not nice at all. The only reason I can think of him even scooping this low with the, horse situation is because maybe he's thinking our food is going to dry up or something. I don't know. Even that, no, it's not. We got fucking cows, all kinds of shit. But anyway, leave the horses alone. One God. One. He's up there, right? Nobody. When God's ready for people, he will call us home. We can't just fucking end people or animals just because you hungry or because you mad or because, I don't know. Oh, God will call in due time. Y'all taking all kinds of lives sooner than they
That's really cool.
should be taking. I know, gross, but Trump made me sick.
Let's stop by then.
Trump, I can't believe he would do this. Come on, man. I had fucking faith in you, bro.
Yeah, this whole cattle.
I really did, man. Shit, I didn't give a fuck what the world had to say about you. I was riding hard. So I saw what I saw. Not heard. I saw what I saw. And yeah, no. You gotta leave the horses alone, man. The Indians will get on that ass real quick. Go ahead, touch them horses. Go ahead, touch them horses. Them Indians are coming. They coming. You ain't touching Trump. No. If you love America, please don't do it. Please. If you love America. If you love anything. Please don't do it. Oh, that. Oh, Lord have mercy. You got. Oh, no, we don't want to do that either. But I did hear Colorado saved the horses, but some got called home sooner than they should have. But I guess Colorado did rescue. Damn, man. I think we need to get him out the U.S. right now until Trump's out of office. Because, so is there anybody, like maybe in Canada, the UK, that will properly take care of all the horses in the United States of America so Trump does not get to them? Once he out of office, we want him back. So, anybody want to take on some horses? Please. That's right, the Indians got this. They're not going to let that happen. They're not. Or not. I ain't letting it happen. I will protect them. Yep, at all costs. Oh, I just gotta feel better. Because this is rough. Look at these girls playing their games. I'm just really mad. Hey, Trump, come on now. Why did you want to do that to the horsies? You know, even certain people got questions. Look, I'm going from one story to the next. On certain things, like with the Lindsay case, it's like we got like 5 fucking million questions. What? Why? How? This case should have been done. Innocent, guilty. What the fuck? It's a circus. That's what it fucking is. I can't believe it's even went this far. Again, it all comes down to fucking money. Money. Medication. No. Right is right, wrong is wrong, bro. Oh, Lord. And this motherfucker's running too. Nobody's asked anything about how, you know, the safety of the new wife, the safety of the new child. Nobody's asked anything about that, but y'all claim to care about kids. We're not worried about this child and the new wife. Well, the child especially, you know, since, yeah, I would be really concerned about the wife and child. I mean, look what he fucking did. He's evil. The system's fucked up, though. Oh, thank you, Eagle. Yo, you guys follow Eagle. He's on a Nolan case. I'm on this Lindsay case, but he's on Nolan. He's on a Nolan case. It's something to do with racism and I've quite a few things. Hi, Lynn. And how Trump hasn't mentioned anything or said anything about such things. Yeah, Eagle's on some shit, bro. He's on some shit. So I'm on that Lindsay case, though. I don't see how it went this fucking far. I'm sick, bro. Sick. In the morning, I don't see that it's a fucking circus, bro. I mean, even certain people say the same thing. I got 500 questions. How did they get this far? Guilty. Fucking, like... She's innocent all the way a fucking round, bro. And just the fact that nobody's asking the safety of this other child besides Lori Jones. Yeah, you know, 3 innocent children were called home. And now I'm definitely worried about the new child he has with the new wife he has. Yeah. Oh, damn, nice 4-wheeler, bro. Yo, let me get on that shit. So I'm on. Oh, damn, that's nice. That's a 4-wheeler. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Have some fun, buddy. It's just a parade happening. God, my throat. Alright, you wait for that. Girlies, I'm back! Oh, 4 of you little Where's Solara? Oh, okay. I'm like, wait a minute. Going home? Oh, okay. But I didn't say you could leave.
My mom needs me.
Okay, your mom needs you. All right. Jalen, you want a Halls?
No.
I'm scared to have one. It's too menthol-y for me. I used to smoke Newports. I used to be a menthol person. Human. person human. But, you know, got pregnant. Shit happens, bro. Shit happens. And it went to full flavor. Now I can't deal with nothing mental. Yo, she does this shit every time I go by, bro. Trying to prove me wrong. Quit doing that, Pride. We gotta let that, babe. Oh, God. And I know my head hurts, but I know why that hurts. I already know why that, because of Pride. She took a shit somewhere and I had to go pick it up. And, well, I went to lift my head up and there was a fucking sign there, bro. It's like I got a little boo-boo somewhere up in here. Right in here. And there's a bump. Yeah. Oh, you are not kidding. Well, it wasn't quite at the time, but, yeah, man. That's what happened. But now I need to maybe get a technique shot. Because who knows how old that sign is, or, you know what I'm saying? So now I need to get my brain checked. Because I only got one screw left. And once that's done, we fucked. We won. Once the one screw's gone, we're a hammer done. So, yeah, I'm sure I call the proper people. Let's see if I can shoot this. Right. See, I thought I was bald enough, but I guess not. But it's like right in there. It's a kiss and a hug. That's all that is, a little kiss and a hug. Make sure you're good to go. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's what we gotta do. That's exactly what we gotta do. Because who knows how many other people hit their head on it. Who knows. So, I was worried about a seizure, I'm not gonna lie. I had to sit for a minute. But I didn't think on you. I did not. Then I had my oldest friend from the UK look at it. And she says, nothing's there. The next day I have her look, and guess what? I got a whole scratch and a bump. She said she didn't see nothing. Today my baby is 16, you guys. 16! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to... She's all laying up on Sky. Poor Sky. Happy birthday to you. I know, you just turned 12. Relax. I'm just kidding, you're 6'7". 6'8", 6'9", 6'10". Yeah, your voice. Look at Bettina. She's so cute. You think I'm off? I am off. I'm sick. I'm so mad at Trump. I am never chasing a train again. No. She said, okay, ma'am. Because you're trying to take her ponies. And you know mommy loves horses. We don't do that. That did it. That drew the line right there. That drew the line. We don't mess. Maybe. Who knows? I just gotta feel better. Honey. Because I can barely breathe. I'm barely making it with one screw left. You know? Buttercup. I've chased many cars. Absolutely. Too bad you didn't say. But... God, bro, this is not... Oh, Lord, tomorrow's Monday. Fuck. I mean, it's okay. It's just I'm not okay. I got whatever everybody else gave me. I'm not trying to get people sick. These people work fucking hard. Boy, do they. Absolutely. And it's whoever you think, but it's actually more than one services that work more than fucking hard. Boy, they're good at what they do. Facts. I'm not trying to get sick. They work real fucking hard. Especially my lawyer. Yeah, you work real motherfucking hard, boy. Yeah, so I'm not trying to get him sick. Again, none of them. I'm not trying to get nobody sick, period. Not only him, but others work well too and hard. Very fucking hard. Like proving you a fucking liar. And other things, but... Probably will get through this, bro. I might need an oxygen tank. I gotta get the mucus up. That's what really needs to happen. Does that mean fall's here? Well, it's not as warm out. Oh my God, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, excuse me, my eyes. Oh, I feel like moving. I just smell like poop. Oh, somebody Pride knows too. I know Pride. Come here, honey. I love you. Oh God, don't give me plunge right now. I'm so weak in the knees. I can hardly speak. Yeah. Damn, bro. This is why I use bleach when I clean. Bleach and Clorox and Lysol, all that, because I'm telling you, germs. And I usually leave windows cracked open so germs are flying out. Go ahead, just say I'm nodding. It's okay. It's okay. Take your narrative to whatever you need to. Do whatever you need to do, hon. Just know it's rough. It's rough. If I wear a mask, oh my goodness. And then I'm really not going to be able to breathe. Oh, God. Nobody's safe though either. I need them. Bad. I don't want them down. I don't need no downtime. We on a mission. So we don't need no downtime. I'm gonna leave it to God. He'll heal us. Well, one's already better. It's two that are pretty rough right now. Oh, God. Okay. Oh. Thank you, Butterballs. I know how to make homemade butter. No, so don't listen to that. Yeah, well, if I looked it up and researched, I probably could, but... You alright? Oh, God, baby. Oh, my God. You good, baby? Yeah, I wouldn't talk about you. Yeah, look to your head real quick. My hands are cold, so I can't really... I am. Oh, someone talking! Shalika! Let me let... Hold on, I'm gonna let her know, because I think she might be getting ready to come up or something. I don't know what's happening. She's coming! She said okay. Well, she gave me thumbs up. No, left, right. Yeah, oh, yeah, no, not doing shit. So down. My oldest has been on me about drinking water. Huh?
Who's outside?
Her mom.
Oh.
I think. It's somebody. I don't want to say too much. You know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You know who? Okay. Look at Sky making sure she got her shit. Look, where are your shoes? Get your shoes up. Look at Sky. Clock it, Sky. Clock it, girl. Get it. You good, Faith?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to do this whole thing.
Oh, well.
You know what? Yeah.
Tell him you don't. You want a Mountain Dew? Take a Mountain Dew with you if you want, baby. Yeah, she said no, I just want one. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And you are so welcome anytime.
Okay.
You're leaving too, Sky?
No, I'm walking around.
Oh, okay. Tell your mom I said thank you. Oh, well. Whoever the beautiful young lady is. Oh, who's the little girl? Is that her sister? Oh my God, she's so cute. Oh, she's saying hi to Sky.
Girl.
You
I love you guys. Have a good day. Give me a phone.
too, and thank you for bringing her. All right, I'll leave you girls alone for a second. Oh, gosh. Aw, Ella's out there. Aw. Now here comes Sky and Faith. She said... All right, Bella. Ella said I'm hotter. She looks just like her sister. Literally just like her. You know, it's been forever. People grow up.
Tell me why I just said that, right?
Okay. No, nothing bad. Oh! Oh, okay, you're good. Whoa, that scared me. I'm like, whoa, it's all right, Bridie. It's all right, come here. Oh, okay. She wants, you okay? It's okay, it was an accident. You gotta move sometimes, baby. Oh, yeah, she will. Not your fault, she knows it was an accident. Yeah, it's okay. Back that tail, girl. Oh, they're pulling off now. That's a nice little car. Damn, they look just alike. Ella said I'm hotter.
I said, guess what? She said, no, you don't have to tell me. I started TikTok.
She started TikTok. Oh, Lord. Tell her do not be adding just anybody. Oh, Lord. I need to talk to Ella. Look, I got to educate. TikTok, the internet, period. It's all right. Look, she cannot just add anybody. I'm going to have to protect her.
I have a whole new TikTok account.
Okay, well, we already got your... Sky, you already know what's up, so... Okay. We just let them, and we just...
That's the penis toy.
I know, she keeps grabbing that. Why do you keep grabbing... Oh, damn, Sky. Feel better, baby.
No,
Pride, let it go. All right, let her have that one. That's it then, Pride. No, oh, your mom said no. I tried.
You piece of booty doll.
Steak for dinner? Steak, potatoes. Or ramen and hot dog water. Sorry, bologna water, whatever. Huh? They're all right there. Oh, Faith, that was close to you about that thing that Dad gave me. Ooh. Excuse me. Faith, I got more of these nails if you want to put them on. Did you say happy birthday to Mama? Mommy's getting... Well, it's all right. It's ripped anyway. She took all the cotton. Oh, just... Oh. Oh, Pride about Bill.
Stop.
Yo, she's a strong little girl. Look, Faith, you're pulling the whole couch. She's pulling the whole couch to Jalen's room. There you go. Pull, Forrest, pull. I love them highlights in your hair.
Come here.
She's looking at you. I can't even get out the door.
It's mine.
Well, what if she wants to hang out with
Mine.
Mom?
Right here.
I can't even get out, bro. Damn. Oh, look, Sky did it in a matter of seconds.
Okay.
Now fix the couch, please, if you don't mind. Maybe not. Make sure the couch don't go by here, because then I won't be able to get it. Oh, thank you, babe. All right, Faith, come on now. I can't close the door. Go ahead. Oh, careful, Dad's thing, man. Look at the butterfly. Good butterfly, I got a piece of bread for you. Damn, no, I'm not gonna be able to see if you go that way. I got my eyes on you, butterfly. I got my eyes on you. Oh shit. I'm losing. Shit, where are you going? Man. Well, it lasted a minute. Damn, bro. Oh, I feel better for tomorrow. Another butterfly. Damn, this one's brown. You see this shit, don't you, girl? You see this shit. I know you do. I know you do. Okay, that was a brown, and we've seen a white one. Any more? I'd like to catch a butterfly, but then at the same time, or a caterpillar, and watch it turn into a butterfly. But at the same time, I'm not trying to torture it, like, you know, put it in like lockup. I want it to, you know, roam in. So that's why it hasn't been done. You know, it needs freeness. But it would be cool to watch caterpillar turn into a butterfly. But I see plenty of butterflies on a daily. Let me guess, that's a state butterfly too. I'm just guessing. These girls in this game, they're locked in, you guys. They're locked in. So the scamming's getting real out here, you guys. Chill. Yo! Look. Okay. You know, things are happening, whether you believe it or not. Things are happening on top of scamming people. I mean, you building lots. And your facts are absolutely right. Please believe that, honey. Please do, by all means. Absolutely, I want you to. With, you know, my chest out, toes down. Absolutely believe that. Nothing's happening. Absolutely correct. Thank you. Thank you. Listening for once. Thank you. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, pal. Or, well, you don't need to because it's not your business. But nor does anybody need to know anybody's accountability. Who the fuck are you? You know, just know it's coming. That's all. Whether you believe it or not. When there's so many people and so many of threats to this, to that, to this, leave it in the hands of God. That's all you're in the hands of God. Damn. What's up, Brad? I know. Everybody's feeling rough. Well, I didn't remember that. 2 out of the 4. Yeah. Oh, man. I need to send her brother a piece of cake. What? What? What about her? Oh. Okay, I got it. Chill. I thought you said mom. It's alright, I got it. I promise. You know I got it. Just give me a sec. Please, thank you. Sky! I'm sending cake home for your brother. Oh shit. Damn, that's a big piece. Whoops. Yeah, you ain't getting none of this part. What are you thinking? What are you thinking, girl? Huh? Okay. Sky, do you think mom and dad would want a piece? Okay. She ripped her ear off for Teddy. What'd you do? You got the little ear off. Her lamb. It's the ear. Jay, you can put cotton in this and use it for something. Since you like doing that art stuff. You sure can. Right there's a hole, stick some cotton. Somebody else's business, but they take their accountability. Don't worry. They definitely got me sick, bro. But try not to get other people sick. Like my lawyer, to this, to that. These people work hard, man. They work hard. And I ain't trying to rain on the parade. Because I'm sick. In the head. And they mad. But they're needed people. And when I say it's more than 1, more than 2, more than 3, 4, 5. Absolutely. God knows they work so fucking hard. Really hard. And their time is appreciated. And what they are doing is appreciated. It's, well, other things. I could probably use this as a coin purse, actually. Jay, don't forget you got a balloon under your bed.
That's okay.
Okay, baby. I don't know how that I don't know how that happened, but this ear came off perfectly good. Like you could fill it with cotton, coins, something. And then just like sew it back up together. Yeah. Well, creative here. My plants are doing good. My nose is gonna be fucking raw. I feel it.
Can I still be loud like this?
Damn, listen to her voice. Oh my god. Open your mouth.
She's not taking this.
Shh.
She found out my business.
You ain't. Okay, you're good. Try not to breathe in your face. You can't keep moving it. Well.
Oh, shut up.
Shh.
It's not even under my tongue.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2. There you go.
Yeah.
Just keep going up.
What is it?
98.6.
Is that bad?
No.
That's normal.
Yeah, you're good.
No!
Huh?
Well, you also, I'm like feeling a lot better today than I had the last 2 days. It's just my voice.
Yeah.
Ew.
Well, I can't be losing my voice. People need to hear what I need to say. Can't have no misunderstandings. All right, you. Let me get you taken care of here. You. What? Oh, yes, I'm sorry. On it. Here, baby. If you need anything, let me know. Oh, Tina. Oh, I'm not going. Well, I need to go in here. What do you think you're doing, girl? What do you think you're doing? You had the toilet bowl. You weighing yourself? Oh, God. Alright, chill. Come in. Alright, clean the sink. Drain that bleach. Look at Tina weighing herself. So, but there is no man here, so I shouldn't have to keep my feet down. Damn, I barely hit my fucking delta today, boy. That's good, but still, man, I like to keep my head headed, so I have more screws to work with, you know, but I can't. This little coldness is not letting it happen at all. Not one bit. All right. All right. So there it is. Hey-o! I like the bikes. They were Harleys, and they were nice. I doubt they heard me, though. But hopefully they did.
Jared Padalecki. Jared Padalecki.
All right, I'm going to go. I got to charge my phone anyway. I need to do something real quick. Oh, God, my nose is going to get raw as fuck. I had to put Vaseline on my nose before it starts getting